Hello, my name is Fumilayo Ilori, and my presentation today is about non-verbal communication. I'm going to be showing some pictures, and I'll be telling you what I think the pictures are communicating. The first picture I have here is the picture where you see three African women. I titled this slide, Three African Generations. In this slide, you see a daughter, a female young girl, her mother to the right, and her grandmother to the left. I think there's a man in front of them that has come to ask for our hand in marriage to his son. The grandmother is looking at the guests, trying to study them, to see beyond their physical looks, to see if they would be able to take care of her. Our mother to the right is concerned about her daughter's happiness, and I think she's communicating to her saying, do you love them? Do you love him? Do you know him? Both of them want her to be happy. If you look at the hands, they are touching her, and I think this depicts ownership and protection. She's ours, and we love her so much, and we are here to protect her. And the expression on her face, I think she's looking at the person in front of her and thinking, do you have the capacity to take care of me? Can you take care of me? Yeah, so on the second slide, we have the title is The Traveler. And in this picture, I think this is a traveler that has come from the city, and he just arrived in his hometown, and is greeting, saluting people around him, his neighbors that have seen him in a long time. And if you look at the cap that he took off, I think this is a sign of respect that he's showing to the person that he's greeting. If the person might be an older person or a lady. So the next slide, I titled the next slide, Tired Worker. If you look at the picture clearly, you see a woman, an African woman that has been walked. She's sweating, she's tired. You can see that her hair is so unkempt. Her uniform looks like the uniform of a cook, of a farmer, of someone, a laborer, someone that has been really working. She's sweating. I think she was just pulled out of her work quickly to take this photograph for the purpose of the media or magazine or something else, or something. If you look at the expression on her face, she looks tired and sad. Her hand behind her back tells me that she doesn't really want to take this picture in this state. She's unwilling to take this picture, but she's been forced to. The next slide talks about, which is the final slide, it's a beautiful housemaid. This is a beautiful white lady who is, I think she's a housemaid. She's working in a home. And if you look, she's smiling, yes, but if you look inwardly, you'd see that the smile is just from the lips. She's not really happy. I see a mother trying to work hard to raise her family, trying to work hard to care for her children. This posture tells me that, well, if this is the only beautiful picture I'm going to take, I'll just do it. So this is how I have been able to interpret my photos in a non-verbal communication manner. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.